I never know if it's working. So let's see. Let's hope it does. Because now it doesn't give me any information about whether I'm oh yeah, I'm live. But 0 views. No one is watching me. Maybe because I didn't really announce it. So maybe I'll have to do it in the future. But also maybe, okay, let's just give you some of my audio. Yeah, okay, let's just have some of that lovely YouTube music. Okay, yeah, I think it's quieter than I am. So yeah, I think it should be okay. So I'm listening to background music as well, orchestra, trailer music. So we were off last time I came here. This morning we finished the application. So I feel like I'm happy with where we are in terms of like all the bugs that were annoying me for the last couple of days are gone. This is nice page. This is a nice page that just logged me out. And my languages almost work. Except they don't. Except they don't work here. But that doesn't matter. Let's just write this thing down as a bug. But like my last video was I was actually recording the script for sales page. So I just wanna I built my application already. This application is working, and I think it's working pretty well, and I think it's sellable. You know, like I just have to start convincing people that it's worth their money, and I think it is, because like it's a CRM, so like it's a like a system for managing your deliveries and stuff, but it's way more simple than what they actually offer you in the alternative. So you know, you can get this shit from Microsoft or wherever, like Oracle. I think like there's lots of competition, but like what they offer is way too complex to work with. So my goal is to actually sell my application, which is way simpler. And I started actually before we went for a longer break than expected, because I was playing some games with my daughter. I recorded this, today is still app launch. I recorded the script that was generated by my AI. So my AI, because it knows my application very well, I asked it, you know, can you make me a sales script? So, you know, if I want to sell my application, I just want to, you know, this sales script, I want to use it for selling. I don't know if it makes sense, but basically I just wanted, can I edit here? Whoa, yeah, I can edit this. So it created the script which says like, okay, product planner. I call it Planero, so I changed that. So hi everyone, blah blah blah, introducing to you the product planner, all-in-one solution. So this is actually, it's kind of salesy, but I want to have it here on my sales page, obviously. So it makes sense that it's salesy, because I want this place to be getting people to purchase my app. And before we went for a break, I recorded the script. So now, like, my next step is to get that script. Get that script. What do I want to do with it? I want to make a video out of it. So this is actually my last call when I called you. When I was here last time. And okay, let's just not play it. But I want to open like DaVinci Resolve, and I will make like, I will just edit audio first. So my audio will be here, and then I will just make screenshots of things in here. Sorry, not in here. In my actual app, showing what they can do with it. So, you know, like you can manage your products, you can manage your deliveries, you have your clients here, you assign one thing to the other, you give it quantity, 1, 2, 3. So basically I just wanna some palette info if you want to, but I don't want to. Yeah, so this is actually where you can just, you know, put your Excel into it and sell. I mean sell, deliver. Yeah, good. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if I'm making sense, but luckily no one is watching. So at least I'm making sense to no one. Oh, and here, like you can assign a company that it's built for, and like I can see a bug here, but I will actually fix it other day. So like the bug is that each time when I click here, it's actually fetching this list from the backend. But I do have this list, so like why do I need to fetch it from the backend all the time? So that's a minor issue, which I don't like, but well, I will launch with that not being perfect. Yeah, I will launch my app without that not being perfect. So let's just go to Premiere, and I will import my earlier script. And yeah, let's just change wherever. It doesn't matter really, because I'm not gonna use this video. I'm just gonna use this audio, and I can see already that it's not very loud, unless there's no audio. I hope there is audio. Oh, there's those are my kids. Where the hell are they playing there? I hope that this wasn't actually posted to the... I hope this wasn't just thrown into... Whoa, okay, so probably like... I hope this wasn't... That's not it. Okay. So this one can go to the bin, obviously. But now, I hope this is the one. Otherwise, I will have to record it again. Is it the one? Is this where I'm reading it? Oh no, this is the morning one. So we didn't save. Ooh, so we have to record it again. So let's just do it now. So stop recording. So this one, this video doesn't matter. I think this one can go to the bin. Good. Okay, so I will just record it with OBS because it's pretty good. So start recording. No visitors, no viewers. Why? Okay. Am I recording now? Okay, stop recording. So now I'm recording a new one, which is this one. And in this one, I'll just read, just without the audio, obviously. I don't need that audio. I might add it later, actually, but let's not have it here. And probably I can stop my YouTube. No copyright music. So yeah, so I will read my script, which will then be here. Discover Planero. Streamline your product management. Discover Planero. Streamline your product management. Oh, and you probably complain that you can't see me well. That's why no one came. Because my main light was on to expose me. Okay, so Discover Planero, streamline your product management. Discover Planero, streamline your product management. Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce you to Planero. The all-in-one solution for businesses looking to streamline their product planning and management. I don't know if it's enthusiastic enough. Whether you're small manufacturer, distributor, or retailer, whether you are a small manufacturer, distributor, or retailer. Oh, nice to see you. Thanks for coming. Average view duration. Oh, okay. What did I want to do? Oh yeah, okay. Hi everyone. I'm excited to introduce you to Planero, the all-in-one solution for businesses looking to streamline their product planning and management. the all-in-one solution for businesses looking to streamline their product planning and management. Oh, he's gone. Whether you're a small business, whether you are a small manufacturer, whether you are a small manufacturer, distributor, or retailer, Planero helps you organize everything from products to customers, suppliers, and deliveries in one powerful platform. Whether you're a small manufacturer, distributor, or retailer, Planero helps you organize everything from products to customers, suppliers, and deliveries in one powerful platform. At the heart of Planero is our interface. At the heart of Planero is our intuitive product table. At the heart of Planero is our intuitive products table. At the heart of Planero is our intuitive products table. This is the hardest sentence, I think. At the heart of Planero is our intuitive products table. Is our intuitive products table. At the heart of Planero is our intuitive products table. Products table. Intuitive. Easily add, edit, and track your inventory with custom fields tailored to your needs. Easily add, edit, and track your inventory with custom fields tailored to your needs. Hi there, viewer. I'm reading a sales script, so like if it sounds salesy or boring, I mean it's not boring for me, but it might be boring for you. So hopefully you will find. Basically, I'm building this app called Planero, which is for like managing deliveries, and I need to find some customers. So like the thing I'm doing now is recording audio for this for a video that will be selling that application. So it's very useful for me. Okay, where was I? At the heart of Planero is our intuitive products table. Easily add, edit, and track your inventory and custom fields with custom fields tailored to your needs. Want to add suppliers rating? Want to add a suppliers rating column or products cost or production cost? No problem, just create it in the fly. No problem, just create it in the fly. Sort and filter your products by any field, and export data seamlessly with Excel integration. And sort and filter your products by any field. And export data seamlessly with Excel integration. This will make me millions. I'm such a good salesman. But it doesn't stop there. Our customers and suppliers tables work the same way, letting you manage business relationships with the same flexibility. Letting you manage business relationships with the same flexibility. Add custom fields like payment types or contact preferences and keep everything organized and searchable. For logistics, our deliveries tracks orders from start to finish. Customize statuses, assign priorities, and visualize progress and visualize progress with our Kanban board. Perfect for coordinating with suppliers and customers. If you are wondering what I'm doing, I'm recording a sales video for my application. So the application is ready. I kind of vibe coded it mostly, but now I need to create sales page, which I already created, but I need the video for that. So the video will be explaining what the app does. If you lonely viewer can are interested. Otherwise, I will continue doing what I'm doing. So I was actually here, was it? Or did I just go to logistics? So for logistics, our deliveries table track our deliveries table track orders from start to finish, customize statuses, assign priorities, and visualize progress with our Kanban board. Perfect for coordinating with suppliers and customers. Planero is fully customizable. In settings, manage categories, statuses, and company preferences. Admins can invite team members and control access. Plus, with multi-language support, it's ready for global teams. What sets Planner apart? It's scalable. It's scalable, secure, and designed for real businesses. What sets Planner apart? It's scalable, secure, and designed for real businesses. Save time, reduce errors, and make data-driven decisions with powerful analytics and reporting. Ready to transform your product management? Sign up for a free trial at planero.com today. Ready to transform your product management? Sign up for a free trial at planero.com today. Thanks for watching. Let's plan smarter together. Let's plan smarter together. Thanks for watching. Let's plan smarter together. Good. So while this is done, and I have this file, which thanks to OBS, it's saved here, and it has my audio. I hope. Yeah, it has my audio. Okay, so now that I make all those mistakes, it's kind of funny for you, but for me it's very useful, because out of that I will make my sales video, which probably like later I will. Oh, hi there. What's your building? What are you building? I'm doing something that, because I already built it, so now it's the next step, because like obviously most of the products and like almost everything that I built so far was for GitHub and it just kind of ended up there and never got sold. But now I built an application which I will actually sell. That's actually that's at least what I want to do. So I built this, like, let's say, small CRM. Yeah, damn next step. Yeah, it's like, I would always just leave it somewhere rotting. I actually have another product after that, but this one actually, like, I'm almost ready to get to the market. But now it's all the nice and, like, nice, all the things that I used to be scared of. So selling and making sales pages and shit like that. But this is actually the difference between me in the last 15 years of software development, where I would be either building for some huge corporation and I would never see the end of that, or I would just build something tiny because I would think that, okay, it's not big enough to actually sell, but like I think I can sell it, and this is not that big. And there are actually bigger applications that are doing the same thing, although they're too complex. So I think like I'm actually, this is where is my edge, you know. I'm building something really simple, and yeah, so that's what I'm building. It's like a CRM, or if you know that term. It's for managing suppliers and deliveries and stuff, and it's actually like, I think it's very needed, because this was actually my friend asking for it, who has that kind of business, and he's saying he's using Excel for it. And Excel is good, obviously, but it doesn't have like a database save, and like you can't work at the same time from, you know, by different people. The most crucial and hard part, marketing, unless you get big pockets. Yeah, maybe, but like actually, I think I have good ideas, because I worked actually in marketing myself ages ago, and my wife, she graduated like a top university in Poland, marketing as well. I think we can pull it off, you know. And I actually have a good idea for this. So what I will do, and just don't tell anyone, is I will actually, because it's a CRM, so I will make videos for YouTube where I'll be showing top 5 CRM systems, and one of them will be mine. And I will obviously tell the user that everything honestly, that, you know, Microsoft's, you know, system is better because it has more features. But if you want to use it, if you want to learn it in one day and use it today, this thing is simpler. So I'll actually try to make videos, like comparison videos, where my product will be just one of them, and it will have just one thing, which is simplicity, and the other ones will be better because they are actually better. But if you actually want to start using it today and just want to move out from Excel, this product is better. So, you know, that's my marketing spiel, you know, and I think I can pull it off with that. Because, like, you know, mostly, that's my idea. Yeah, into marketing now. Yeah, I have to be. But the thing is, like, ages ago, I built a product. Like it was different product, but it didn't really sell a lot, but it was actually selling enough to pay my bills. And like, I don't want to compete with Microsoft or anything, or maybe I won't, but like, I'm not really ready for that. But I'm actually ready for this application to sell enough to pay my bills, and to allow me to get off corporation, which is kind of my dream for the last few years. You know, so I've been working those corporate jobs, banks, hedge funds, wherever, for ages, and they're like dead ends for your creativity, in my opinion. So I think that the next step is actually build my own thing and start selling it and maybe make money. So this is what I'm doing today. I'm kind of finishing this page because I just need like a sales video, and I've already, like, I did really, I think like it's like Copilot is very, like, everyone is focusing on how much it can write code for you. And it's good for that, obviously. Like, it's great because I wrote like 90% or 80% at least of this application just by vibe coding, you know, maybe 20% if I was lucky, I wrote myself. But the great thing is actually it knows my application. It knows my app already. So I can just like ask it, can you give me like a sales spiel, you know, sales thing that I can just record for a video. Because it knows my application, it can just come out with a really good one, like, you know, the best features that I have built. So this is actually something that I like. Yeah, otherwise I would have to do it myself, you know. But because like the best marketing, I think, like, as far as I read actually there's this book by Ogilvy, the guy that Ogilvy, I don't know how to even say it, the most famous like advertising agency, and there is a guy who actually created this agency. And his main rule was like, you have to know the product in order to sell it. And like even this thing knows my product better than I do. So I think like I can, you know, with this actually thing that it actually produced, I can sell it pretty well. Yeah. So I've got, okay. Any other questions, or I can go to my favorite software, which is called what's the name of this thing? DaVinci Resolve. And what I will do, I'll just import my recorded script and start editing, which is gonna be fun for you, I guess. Like, yeah, I can imagine. Oh, please don't tell me that this was not recorded. No, it was recorded. Good. So I'm sure you will be very excited to see me actually just cutting things up in video editing software. It's probably not what you came here for, but I think like this is gonna be cool. I promise. So I feel like it's not loud enough. I can already see it out of this. Yes, I was too quiet. I feel like for now I just have to release this up. Like maybe later I will get some actor to read it, or like someone with real voice and real proper English speaking person. But here it's just me, because I just need to sell a couple of those. I don't need to make millions yet. Once I will start selling, I will actually invest more into proper marketing videos. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll just decide to keep it my way. I think it needs to be even louder, unfortunately. Oh, anyone into DaVinci Resolve? Or is it just about coding? Let's just make a poll, because it turns out they're actually quite popular. You ever used DaVinci? Oh, or no, a better question. Have you ever used Copilot for other things than coding? Yeah, I think that's a good question, because Copilot is, as I was telling, Copilot is very good at other stuff as well. As I said, like marketing. So, if you build your application with Copilot, then you can just go on and just sell, or just make a sell stuff within Copilot. So yeah, I think like that's a neat thing. Okay, let's just go on. Nah. SaaS next year. Yeah, you should. Yeah, do it. Still market from Microsoft or wherever, Google. I will shoot my question after you're done. Yeah, go. You can question. Don't worry. Yeah, if something, I'll just. Yeah. So yeah. No one into DaVinci Resolve? Oh no, my question is like, make sure you answer the poll, guys, because I think that's like as I said, like I think I discovered something really cool. DaVinci, not DaVinci, like Copilot and the AI agents for coding, they're actually very good for marketing, which is like I just realized that actually quite recently. Because I would just like for last 2 years or maybe a year and a half, I would be doing just like coding with them, and like you can do other shit with them. Like I would sometimes. I remember in my corporate jobs, I would actually like write tasks, like based on the product. I would just ask, can you just like spit out a couple of tasks for Jira? So that was good for it. But like other than that, I didn't really think that it's actually good for other stuff. Oh yes, okay. What did you use it for? Whoever said yes. Okay, here we are starting. Just probably the second one is better. I should definitely hire actor for this later. But you know, you have to start somewhere. Yeah, you can see I'm excited here. No, I'm not. Hi everyone. Generate prompts. So yeah. You can just So I do that as well. Yeah, can you give me other stuff for other AI so the other AI can do it? Yeah, that's the one. I love that one as well. Can you give me prompt for other thing? Or like I use other way around, you know. I use ChatGPT to get me stuff for Copilot, or like my this Planero thing that even this design and this design was actually done with Figma AI, really nice one. Like if you want to make a website or stuff like that, try Figma AI. I might actually make a video later about that because it's brilliant, and it gives you like a React code, which I love, and like very simple to use. I even mention other AI's name. yeah, exactly. Yeah. So ChatGPT knows that you are prepare like in its format, like the way it likes it. Yeah, so that's a good one. Yeah, I do that as well. Feed the AI to other AI. Okay, back to my video, sales video. Okay, do I need? Oh, this is horrible take. I don't really have it. Maybe I should go for a run before. Because this is like this year was rough and long ride for me, man. What happened? Like I'm kind of interested, so you know, you can shoot. Like, you know, you don't know me, so might be like a psychologist thing. Let's remove this bit. For me, like it was pretty cool year actually. I had like at my work, at my corporation, I kind of had like a bit of a conflict, but I ended up very well actually. Ended up very well off at the end because I was in the right, and but on the other hand, like it actually made me decide that I really don't want to go back to corporation. So yeah, I hope you actually had like such a, you know, fun experience. The thing is, like, I had a in most of my I've been 15 years as a software developer and stuff, and like I can hardly I can't remember too many of like fun days from there, you know, like days that I would actually do something really amazing, exciting, and stuff. And in my last job, I actually went against the grain. Is it how you say it? And it was actually fun. I will remember. Learned everything from editing using DaVinci, React, Next.js, coding. Now I'm kind of clear on what I'm going to do. Yeah. Okay. So what's that? Cool. Yeah, you have to start somewhere. I mean, it's fine to work for a while for others, but I think there's like enough apps to build to, you know. Oh, someone didn't use it. So we had two answers so far, two votes, and like one used and one didn't. Um, I think it's okay to work for others, but I think like you should really like try to solve problems yourself. And it took me a while to actually understand that. Yeah. So actually, like if you think of it, like because you said that you know Da Vinci, you know React, like plus if you vibe code, you can actually you can make almost any app you want. So like if you are not really if you are not pressed for making money, I would actually avoid going to like corporate jobs unless you can learn stuff, but I don't think you can learn that much. You will learn how to comply with others unless you are very like you know but yeah, mostly you will be expected to comply and just listen to manager because he has he's right and you're a kid. So this take was better. Shit, none of the takes is good actually. I think I will have to pay for someone to actually do that because I don't really like myself. Like I'm not like enthusiastic here. Like I think I can do kind of live stream, talk like this easily. But like when it's this sales thing, I think I will have to get someone with young and sexy voice. Like on the Fiverr, I can probably pay someone with good English accent to read this for me. Nothing. So some SaaS ideas I'm going to implement for sure next year. But the thing is, I got to start earning ASAP because of financial issues. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I got to take care of parents and yeah. Okay. Obviously, like if you're, as I said, like if you need money, you have to go to work, take work. Yeah, as I'm saying, like to try not to hang too long in the corporate world. Well, I think it kind of messes you up, and it's cool to actually build your things alongside, and try to actually release them. I think like it's actually much easier than you think, and it doesn't really require anything that is not available with AI. yeah, what I will do, I will just use this one for launch and for, when I will be launching my app. And then after that, I will actually hire someone for, for $10 or something, just to read the script for me. And then it will just sound more professional. It's not like some guy from Poland. Anyway, I get about one of like, oh, nice. I don't know what to do, but to build my audience even more and ship things, or just ship things. Yeah, like the thing is, like, you can build, like, for example, what I'm doing. Look, like I just have like 200 people, and like I'm just programming my thing. So you can just like do that. Like if you have interesting thing, you can just program that, and just like people will come. If you are just honest with them, like, this is what I'm building. I don't know if it can work, but yeah, stay, play with me. And I actually had like guys offering me already like testing, so they can, like, there's a guy who will be testing my app for me for free. That's a freebie, just because I was just like doing what I'm doing now. Now I'm doing something that is really not like, I don't expect this to be super interesting for like thousands of people, but like while I'm doing it, why not? I just like, there's occasionally someone coming in watching me actually editing some silly, very not silly, actually, it's very important for me, but editing this the script video, the sales video. And like for me, I would do it anyway, so I can probably, so you can build audience this way, like because like sometimes you hear like there are those like big YouTubers who have thousands of viewers, and it's like 10,000 people watching them. But like I don't like, I hope there will be, that will be at some point, but like I don't really need those thousands of people, because I'm doing this thing anyway, so I'm just like streaming it here and kind of getting distracted, but that's fine. And I'm getting some cool polls, actually, some good questions asked sometimes, which is useful. Oh, I'm really mumbling some words. Like okay, I should make another poll. If you get anything to do apart from speaking, bad accent. That's fine. Yeah, maybe, I don't know what. So React, this. I actually like. To be honest, I would be actually ready to pay even someone for making, like, out of my YouTube videos, making shorts. Because I think like I wanna start. I think at some point, and sooner rather than later, I would like to actually start making money on YouTube, which is doable. Like because I'm doing those videos anyway, and like I'm quickly actually gaining followers. I already have like, in like 3 weeks time, I already have more than 200. But I feel like with shorts, I can actually like get really much further. So like if you would be interested, I wouldn't mind to even pay, but not that much. I could actually pay you maybe per short like $50 or something. But you could just like get like 5 or 6 out of each video, and then I would post them, and then I would also give you let's say maybe third of money I make. So like I would give you actually 1/3 of what I make from YouTube. So let's say my shorts, because at first they would be just like my shorts are not that popular. I think my best one so far is like 17 views, but like I mean I get sometimes I'm getting really good takes, and like probably, and I want to get those shorts. Anything helps. Good. Okay, so like what we would do is, you would like, when I'm making this stream, you can just like cut it as much as you want. But just make like, if you make a short, like 3 shorts per each of those, and then I will post them on my channel, and then you will see how, like I will obviously, as I'm saying, like I can then share with you like how much each of those shirts, like once I'm making money, is making, and hopefully I will get popular, you know. If you got any work, please let me know. Okay, good. So yeah, so that's, email me, okay? Email me and I will explain you exactly what to do. My name is, my email is, let's just do office@planero.eu. That's an email that is actually assigned to this to this product, obviously, but it redirects to my real email. So just write your thing there. If anyone else wants to use that offer, feel free. As I'm saying, like, I'm not gonna pay much for those shirts, but like, then if you actually create something really interesting, and I will use and I will make, you know, and it will actually start making money. I think like YouTube pays like $10 to $30 for a million views of short. And if you can squeeze out of what I'm actually talking, you know, millions, then it's great. But for me, like, you know, as I'm saying, like, I can pay per short, but like, if it's really stupid, like, if I don't publish it, like, if someone really makes it really stupid and bad, then yeah, I might not use it for too. I can edit, average. That's fine. Build landing pages and write blogs. That's cool. Like, yeah, I think like I can use all of this. I can use all of this. So yeah, let's talk on. Just contact me, okay? So I'll get you some jobs. At this point, they are not very well paid. I mean, I don't know. They might be well paid for you, depending where you are and how much you need. But you know, the thing is, like, if you don't have a job, then and you know, you can build your portfolio as well. And you know, I will. If the thing is, like, you know, I'm not super popular, but I think I can actually grow it quite quickly if I get lots of, you know, shorts and stuff out. I don't know about much help to that connect with you, man. Experience alone. Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Don't worry. Like, just, don't worry if you don't have experience. The thing is, like, I don't really care, you know. And people that I enjoy working with most, it's not about experience. I mean, in India. Okay, yeah, great. If you dollar, let's say that for each, like, okay, for each day, I'm producing like a, you know, hour of video or an hour and a half or free. Like, today's it's probably even more. If you can squeeze 3 shorts out of it, then I will pay you back 50. Let's say, okay, plus like the percentage, like 1/3 of what's actually in from the views. Okay, so it's already recorded, so you can sue me for that. But basically, like, if you actually, when let's say, but just don't make too many. Let's just make 3 a day. Okay, so I'll pay you $1. Does it make sense, or is it too much? Yeah, let's. If it's not enough, then we'll see. We can talk. Like, just take one of. Okay, let's start with that. No, okay, let's not make a job out of it yet. Okay, get me like take one of my videos, download it wherever. Just get it from like one of those live casts that I'm, like the one that you are on, for example, and produce 1 short. Okay, that's your interview test. You know, just produce 1 short that will be interesting. Okay, just choose wherever you want and send it to me. You have my email, and you know, you can send it on Google Drive, wherever, you know. And you know, if it's good, you're hired. Okay, and then I will be paying you for, as I said, like, you know, 3 shirts a day, and then you get some share. If I start making money, you get share from that. But if you're good, okay, like, just I mean, if you're good, just make a good shirt out of it. Like, if you actually look at my current shirts, they're crap. But the thing is, like, the better you make them, the more views they will get. So the more views they will get, the more money you'll get. So okay, that's our deal. Okay, you send me on my email, send me one short that's out of what I'm saying. And like sometimes I'm saying crap, you know, as you can hear, but sometimes I'm really surprised, because like sometimes like I get such a good takes, you know, especially like now about AI and stuff. I mean, I think they can be popular. So if you can make a nice short out of it, and like anyone who is on the video, if you wanna do the same, just send me a sure, I'm gonna email you, man. Okay, so just send me a short. It could be on YouTube. You can send it as a file, wherever. If I use it, you know, I will probably get you more work. You know, as I'm saying, you will be producing, you know, more shorts for me, because I can talk hours, and if we can make nice shorts, and I can obviously, I can pay for that. So yeah, that's my offer. But now I'm back to my sales video, which I hope it will actually sell me stuff. And yeah, if you make a nice things, I will actually use you for other stuff as well, you know, blog, wherever. But let's start with one short, so it doesn't paralyze you. Just make a nice short that I will actually use. Make sure there is a text at the bottom. You can use, like in DaVinci Resolve, there is an extension that I can actually, for free. It's a free AI extension that can give you like a text at the bottom. So make sure this is there. Like if you wanna put like pictures that visualize stuff, probably do that. Yeah, just make a nice short, like the one that will, you know. Yeah, okay. I think I'm talking too much. Shit. I'm such a bad at reading things. Okay, so I was talking. Okay, this is the best, I think. I think I repeated this one like 20 times. I should have a good take from this. This is good. Guys, you are watching me editing videos. This is the beauty of YouTube. Like I can just be, this is like my sales video. So it's not nothing special, but like I have 5 people now. So yeah, nice to see you guys. Make sure you actually vote. Like there is a poll asking you like whether you actually were using Copilot or whatever, just any other AI tool for coding for other stuff than coding, because it's actually interesting, like, you know, how people are using it. Yeah, go back. Good. I think this is good take. Okay. Yeah, hi Nani. Oh, there was a good football player once, some few years ago. Oh, maybe he's still playing. Nani. Is he still playing? Nani footballer. I think he's, yeah, 9 matches. Portugal. Yeah, I think he used to play in Manchester United. Is he still there? He's 39. Okay, so I'm not surprised that he's not playing. But he's still in Manchester. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Hi Nani. Yeah, man. You play. Yeah. Okay. So, do you like Nani? I don't know if I watched him actually playing. Born November, so he's a bit younger than me actually, like a couple of months younger. Okay, go back to editing. Maybe this one is better. No, this sucks. Lewandowski. No, Messi, obviously. I used to think Ronaldo, but yeah, now Messi. Like he is a magician. Actually, Messi is like more talented, but Ronaldo is like he's harder working. He's like really, at least up to from what I've seen, he like really made himself like a player. It's hard work in his case, so I feel like I actually appreciate that a bit more. But Messi is better, like technically and stuff. By the way, just recon, you look like Lewandowski. No, I don't think so. I'm better looking. No, I'm Polish. Poland. Yeah, next door. I think like previous one because I'm. No, most of the people don't use me Copilot for for non-coding. Yeah, just use it. It's great for marketing. Should I? I think I will have to finish soon because this is too long. Why am I so slow at editing this? This is better. Okay, after first pass I'm going. Yeah, I'm just like I just recorded this for the new people. I just recorded this sales. So I'm doing like a sales video for my SaaS product. So but I need to have a sales video. So what I did, I used Copilot to actually generate me a script, and then I read it, and now I'm editing it, and like all the jazz. So yeah, I know you're excited to watch me actually editing things in DaVinci Resolve, and maybe you expected me to actually be coding things with some cheap AI agent, but that's a reality of small business. You have to do everything. Yeah, thanks for coming. Yeah, great. Great to see you. Cricket 353. Yeah, good to see you, dude. And come back. Next time I will be coding. Maybe you'll learn, or maybe you'll get a job like the other guy, like Nanny. Who knows? You never know what you will learn, what you'll find on the internet, on YouTube. Yeah, thanks for coming. Let me know. Just yeah, send me the shirt and we'll talk. Cheers. Oh, sorry. Shit, I've been playing with mic too much. Okay, so I feel like I have my sort of sales video or sales script running, working. I don't really like it too much. I will probably rework it tomorrow a bit and make sure that it's kind of makes sense. But like, and I will release my product with this reading or with this as a video. I just need to do some screenshots of the application, but I think like I will have to hire like a proper actor to read it properly, so it's a bit more professional. For now it's fine. I will release it with that, but later it needs to have a proper thing. So you know, when a real person comes in, there will be someone with like English accent reading this thing, and maybe it will actually convince someone to buy the app more than just me reading it so badly. But yeah, that's it for today. I think my the product is going well. I think I had a really good day today because I did quite a lot of bug fixing earlier. And make sure, feel free to check out my earlier cast from today when I'm doing the vibe coding actually with Chip AI Agent. Here I was much more interested in getting my marketing out there and yeah, I'm showing everything about it today. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for coming, see you around, guys, see you next time. I'll be back doing another bits about, for my SaaS application. I'll be building more of it. Feel free to come, watch, comment, ask for a job if I can give you. And yeah, see you around. Thanks. OBS, how to stop you? Stop streaming. Bye.